Okay, we're going to do a bit of an overview of the control panel. I'm going to turn the machine on. Alright, comes onto the purple screen. When it's on the purple screen, it's not ready to operate. So what we do is, if we're going to use the pattern that's already selected on the screen, in this case we've got it selected as stubby holder, we just press the home button, the sewing machine goes to a blue screen that's ready to operate. If we're going to change it to our second pattern, pattern number 2, lanyard, it's still blue, so it's ready to operate. If we take it out of that operation there, then it's into the editing mode. So what we'll do is have a quick look at editing while we're on lanyard. So we've gone into the purple screen, and this is where we can have a look with our magnifying glass at how the pattern is formed. And this is where we can make some subtle changes. So what we want to do, we can change which screen it's on, which we're only using page 1 at the moment, so we leave that there on page 1. Obviously this machine is designed to be able to hold multiple patterns, so we've just got 1 and 2 at the moment. Here's where we'll change our stitch width and length. So we've set up to 18 millimeters, basically the maximum we can fit in this particular clamp set. If we go to a different clamp, we can change the product or change to a wider stitch, but it's done in percentages. So we'll just go into our percentage here. We're at 112%. So if I just go, let's say at 113, 113%, and then enter, it's now taken us to 18.1 millimeters. So we just do that, and then we can also change the width this way. At the moment it's a pretty good stitch, so we'll leave that at 100%. That's all we really need on the editing screen if you want to just change the width. And as I said, you're limited to 18 millimeters by the clamp set that's on the machine here. If you want to go bigger or to a box pattern or something, you just have to change this whole clamp arm, which is just 1 bolt at the back. We can order them in as you require. And this bottom guide plate, which is just this one Allen key here, and one for the clamp arm there. So if you want to go to a box pattern or something, it can be done quite easily. It's a fairly quick changeover, and then you would just change into a different pattern. So we're back here on the editing screen. We've changed that to 18.1 millimeters. I'm happy with that. And now we just close out of that page. Still on the editing, the purple screen. This also gives you the option to change the name of the pattern. And it will give you a threading function and a bobbin winder. Now the bobbin winder function means the bobbin winder and the whole machine actually will run flat out without using the pedals, so it's better to avoid that really. What you want to do is have the bobbin winding at all times while you're sewing, and then you'll always have a bobbin up here ready to go. So hopefully you can ignore doing the winding function and just literally have it winding the whole time you're using it. Alright, so we're happy with that design at 18.1, and then we're just going to go out of the purple screen by pressing the sewing machine, the home, and then that's ready to operate.